Okay, wait. The clean girl makeup trend is everywhere. But let's be real, most tutorial feels made for LA girls with Sephora budgets. So here is my version for Indian skin, Indian weather and real budgets. First things first, skin prep. I start with ELF Power Grip Primer because it actually makes your makeup stay put. It's a little sticky which helps your base grip better, smooths out dry patches and keeps everything from melting in Indian humidity. If you want your clean girl makeup to last, don't skip this step. Then I go in with Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer just to spot conceal those dark patches because let's be real, most of us with Indian skin have a little unevenness. Before blending, I also apply ELF Hello Glow on the high points, cheekbones, nose and little on the forehead for that soft lit from within glow. I blend the concealer first and then Hello Glow so the glow sits on the top and looks supernatural. Then I use Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer because at this point you don't need full coverage. You just want something light to medium that evens you out without covering that halo glow shine underneath. I first go in with a brush to spread the product evenly and then finish with a damp beauty blender. It just gives that clean, super blended, skin like finish. Then I use the She Glam Liquid Contour. I really like it because it's super lightweight and beginner friendly. Texture is thin, blends like a dream and actually melts into the skin instead of just sitting on top. That's why it's my go-to for soft natural look. I also dab a little contour on my eyelids. It adds natural depth and pull out the whole look together without needing extra eyeshadow. For a blush that actually lasts and doesn't just sit on the top of the skin, I start with Etude Water Tint. I applied it to one cheek at the time and blend immediately. If you wait too long, it can leave patches. Then I go in with the Swiss Beauty Mousse Blush. I'm obsessed lately. The texture is so creamy, blends like a dream, and it's super affordable. I use the shade Pink Empress. Honestly, no idea why people aren't talking about it. To lock everything in, I use a setting spray and then just let it sit. No rushing. I take a moment to really let it dry down so everything melts in and lasts longer. Next, I brighten with a light concealer under the eyes, nose, bridge, cheekbones, and forehead. I'm using the Clinique one, but honestly, any concealer 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone works perfectly. Then I lightly set everything with K Beauty loose powder just on the areas where I crease or sweat. A little goes a long way. And then I go in with a thin eyeliner just enough to softly define the eyes without overpowering the clean look. I use the Marsh eyeshadow shimmery one to add a soft hint of glow on my lids, effortless and pretty. I use the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Mascara. It adds just the right amount of volume without clumping. Keeps the lashes fluttery and soft, which is perfect for that clean, effortless look. Then I use the Mars lip liner. What do I even say about these? Just an affordable gem. I line my lips and softly blend it in with a brush for diffused look. And then I use the same Swiss Beauty lip and cheek blush in the shade Pink Empress as a lip tint. Dab and blend, and it's just the most beautiful soft flush that ties the whole look together. To finish off, I add the Kiko Milano lip plumper. Gives that juicy glassy shine with a hint of plump. It pulls the whole clean girl look together, soft, glowy and fresh. Lastly, I go in with a highlighter on my cheekbones, nose, and those spots where the light naturally hits. It just pulls everything together and gives that soft lift from within glow. Not too loud, just the perfect finishing touch. That's it for today's video. A soft, glowy, clean girl look, but actually made for Indian skin and Indian weather. Let me know your favorite products and subscribe to this channel for more videos.